One of the easiest ways to get started is by using a template. n8n has a growing library of workflow templates perfect for common setups like content summarizers, email responders, or AI assistants. To use one, head to the Templates tab in n8n and search for something similar to what you want to build. You can preview the workflow, and then if you like it, click Use for Free and copy the template. Back in your n8n workspace, open a blank workflow and paste it in, using Command-V on Mac or Control-V on Windows. This will import the full setup, including all nodes and connections. From there, just plug in your API keys, tweak the settings a little bit, and change the trigger. It's a great way to learn by example or get something working without starting from zero. And if you liked any of the agentic workflow examples we walked through earlier in this video, all 4 of them are available as templates. You'll find direct links to each one in the description below. You can even export and share your own workflows as templates, so if you build something useful, you can pay it forward. So now you've got a solid foundation for how AI agents work, what they're capable of, and how to start building them with n8n. To get started building your own agent, click the link in the description to get the best available price and a 14-day free trial for n8n Cloud. If you want to dive even deeper into n8n, click the suggested video on screen for a full step-by-step tutorial.